So anyway, I made a video a while ago, and my iPhone is going, it's fattening up, and the battery is just dying when it's separated. But anyway, so my thought was, when I did my first print, if I could see it, it seemed like when I moved it, it was saying, hey, you're tweaking it, you know. So I knew, well, I was hoping nothing would happen, but it was loading, and when it's first time, you don't know how to stop the loading. So anyway, this told me that, and keep in mind that I know nothing about 3D printers or digitizers, but I just found out. But I figured, well, hey, that means that it can be streamed. If it can be tweaked on the fly, it can be streamed. Right? Cheers. Can be streamed from a sensor. A sensor that follows the injector, the extruder. Okay, cheers. That's my thought. So anyway, oh yeah, I wanted to show you my $200 printer, what it does. Zoom in. Oh, that is not fucking that much. Okay, bye.